time inapita hata mishipi yao ya tumboni.
Kwongererwo ngari cia kiriu, matharaita ma kiriu na kurorwo weru kwa ruhonge rwa borithi ariera-ini hari kugacirithia motungata ni mamwe ma maria thirikari igukorwo ikihanira kigina ruhonge-ini rwa borithi riri ihotorete kugacirithia miikarire na mirutire ya wira ya mabithaa acio.
Bila kulisahau na mwanadada wetu Chief Inspector.
Ndomereri eno irekereirio ni Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta hindi ya kuhumbwo thumbi kwa makurutu 3,988 ruhonge rwa borithi thukuru-ini wa mathomo ma mabithaa aya mwena wa Embakasi kuria augire mogaruruku maria megutabania ruhonge-ini ruu ni meguteithiriria mabithaa borithi hari bara ya kurua na itoi.
In order for us to maintain the momentum in the fight against crime, my government will commit more resources to the funding of the ongoing National Police Service Modernization Program, which is already bearing fruit. We now have better mobility and a good fleet management system, armored vehicles for special operations, and a revamped air wing for air support services.
Ni athire na mbere na kuga unyitaniri wa honge cia ugitiri ni kimwe kia itumi iria ihotithitie mabithaa borithi kurua na wikinai na oho oria muingi kunyitanira na mabithaa borithi hari kugacirithia ugitiri.
These investments have eased the response and emergencies and improved police efficiency and effectiveness. We also remain seized with the task of improving police welfare.
Mutongoria wa bururi ni oritie aria makorirwo makihumbwo thumbi kuyukia wira wao mweru mari na wigiririki na oho gutungatira muingi matekuthutukania.
As an officer of the law and as public servants, there is a special obligation on you to serve Kenyans with compassion and understanding and to show them that the government is here to work for them. Kenyans, after all, are your employers.
Mwena-ini wake minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i uria kumagaritie mutongoria wa bururi ni augire mogaruruku maria maratabanio ruhonge-ini rwa borithi ari ni hamwe na kwandandurwo kwa mutaratara wa mathomo ma borithi no meguthii na mbere.
We will be commencing as directed by you on the next phase of radical and serious changes to the National Police Service to strengthen and build on the great work that has been done by the leaders of the National Police Service that we have witnessed here this morning.
Nake Inspector General wa borithi Joseph Boynet na munini wake Nur Gabu magicokeria mutongoria wa bururi ngatho iguru ria kwongerera kigina kia ruhonge rwa borithi kiria gikuhuthika hari gutabania mogaruruku ruhonge-ini ruu mutaratara-ini uria waruguririo ni Minister Fred Matiang'i makiria ma kiumia kimwe kihituku.
Linahitaji vijana wachanga, si wale ambao kidogo wakipewa.
Ando-ini ha Kameme TV, Jeta kama wa Mwagi.
Wako kati ya umri wa miaka